Hello guys, good morning. Today it's Monday, June 22, 2026. Now I'm super sweat cause time to clean here inside the house. I'm alone and this is the one I do first. Kitchen. This is the final look our kitchen. Also I put plants here near in the bathroom. And this is the dining area. And also this is the upstairs. Now I got map. Now I'll do map. Now this is the lock. And from here also.